65 Gamer Guy here with an update on the 1970 Mercury Cougar. We've only been working on this car a couple days a week just so we don't get burnt out. But here we're getting the body prepped. Got the hood in primer and got it sanded. It needs a couple little dings that need to be filled, and here's one of the doors and both of the lens panels that are getting really close. And then we had a wiring harness issue. The wiring harness right here was broken, and so we found one off of another car and soldered it in. And here's the repair that we did. Can't really tell if you don't know what you're looking at. So once we got that in and hooked up, we decided to see if we had anything. And once we put the key in the ignition, we got this. Haven't heard that sound in a long time. That's the buzzer reminding you that the key's still in the ignition. Then we decided to see if it would start with the key.